Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have LENOVO Yoga Tab 3 Pro and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. To do this, open application menu and find calendar application. There we tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 25th of April. When we choose it, we tap this plus icon and event. There we can set add event to our group on Gmail of our friends or family, what you have. There we can add title of our event. This option we can set when event starts and finish at what time, or we can set by the switch it will be all day. Location of our event, notification to that, maybe on the day at 9 or what you prefer. You can add more than one. We can invite people to our event. We can change color, which we see in our calendar application. There we can add note to our event, maybe someone task list or something like that. Attachment, and after we add all we need and prefer, we click save and we have it in our calendar right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.